Okay, hello viewers. In this video, we'll solve this interesting question. We want to find the range of this function, the range of the function. So how do we find the range of the function? We can do that by, first of all, graphing the function. Okay, so here we have an exponential function. So we have 3 plus what? 2 to power minus absolute value of x. So how do you deal with this first? This one, we need to work with this first. This is 2 to power minus this, which we can actually write as 1 over 2 all to power absolute value of x, which we can split into 2 as what? We can split it to 1 over 2 to power x as x greater equals to 0, or 1 over 2 becomes minus x as x is less than 0. And what can we do with this? Here we can rewrite this, or we can just start with this. What is this? When x is greater than 0, this is 1 over 2. So it's going to be a decreasing exponential function, which will cross at where? Which will cross at 0. So something like this. But now, since x is greater than 0, it means we're only interested in the positive part. So we will remove the negative x. So this is just it. So the whole of this is 1 over 2 to power x. Then the next one is where we have less than 0. We have to take care of that. Less than 0 means to the left. So this is going to be this way now. It's supposed to continue, but because x is less than 0, so it means we'll just stop here. And which position is this? Where it cut the y-axis, it's at 0, 1. Okay, so this is the graph of these two combined together. Give us the graph of 2 to power this minus absolute value of x. So right now, what do we need to do? We need to move this 3 unit up. So if we're moving it 3 unit up, what do we have? We'll simply have something like this. So now from here to here, we're doing vertical translation 3 unit up. And so this will just simply be, now this point is 0, 1. If you move it 3 unit up, it's going to be somewhere here. So the point will move to 0, what's 0, 4. So if it's moving 0, 4, so definitely here you can see the line y equals to 0 is our horizontal asymptote. So if you go 4 unit up, then our horizontal asymptote will become the line y equals to what? 3. Because look at here, it's cut at 1, and the distance between this and your horizontal asymptote is just 1 unit. So here now, since you've moved it 4, the distance between where you cut the y-axis and your horizontal asymptote will be also 1 unit. So it means it will cut at y equals to minus 3. Sorry, y equals to 3. So this is the graph. So the whole of this gives us our graph, our f of x equals to 3 plus 2 minus this. And what is the range? Clearly, we can see the range means the values of y. The value of y begins with what? With 3. But 3 in this case is going to be open because it's a horizontal asymptote. Then the highest value is 4. So we have 3 to 4. 3 open, but 4 close. This is the range of this function. Thank you for watching.